All right, checking out the GMC wheel center caps. These are 3.25 inches, 83 millimeters. These are the custom polished aluminum fit for your Sierra or your Yukon. Also fit, probably fit a Silverado or a Tahoe as well. But this is what they look like when you get them. Actually stacked. That one's actually bundled together right there. I'll pull this apart. Box will pull that apart like that. And then they also have a nice, I guess not a saran wrap, but a coating that you can pull off to make sure that they stay nice. But these are the polished kind of chrome with the red GMC logo, and also a bonus in here. It's pretty cool. Got these little valve stem covers that say GMC on them. So that's pretty awesome. So I pulled these out here, and this is what they look like. The GMC logo right there. A nice metal. I mean, it's a nice metal cap nut, and it has a red gasket inside. So that was kind of cool to get that as a bonus. But let's check out what this will look like on a car. So this is the style that I currently have. It's just a kind of a stainless or polished chrome with no red in the center, and this is what I'm going to. And the reason for this is because somebody stole my center cap in a parking lot. It was really crazy. So anyway, all you're gonna do is once you pop those out with just a flathead screwdriver, you'll just pop these right back in. So anyway, that's what it's gonna look like. Okay, that's what it looks like with that style, and that's what it'll look like with that style. So decided to go with the red, kind of match the dirty red paint job I have right now. And so anyway, highly recommend. These are going to look super cool, and once you put them on there, then you can peel that plastic off